Hello, hello. I know it's been a while since you all have seen us. So now that school is closed for the next few weeks, we just want to make sure that we're able to still do fun activities with y'all and have some lessons. So today we're going to be talking about, with COVID-19 and other things going on, things can get pretty stressful. You're probably not used to being at home this much. Um, you're probably not used to not being able to go outside as much. So we just want to talk about what are some things we can do to help us during a stressful time or when we feel sad. So I'm going to first share my self-care basket. So this is what it looks like. I just have some of my favorite things together. And the first thing I'm going to share is this coloring book. So it has like different pages. Let's see. The designs are really cool. Some butterflies right here, and then this is one that I recently started, which is some birds, and I hope to finish this pretty soon. So I just have these color pencils to go along with it. So if you're not able to access, like let's say you don't have a printer at home, you can easily, you can either download an app where you could color, or you can have someone in your house, or you draw it, or you can also draw it yourself, but draw an image and then color it in. And then I have a journal, so you can write, you can write about your thoughts, how your day went. You can write about things you're grateful for. So we're gonna just pause for a second. You kind of think about what you're grateful for today. Okay, so you had some time. So for example, today I'm grateful that it's super sunny and it's nice outside. I'm grateful that I'm able to connect with my family and friends. And I'm grateful that we found a new cool way about how my day went, or write about things I'm grateful for, or I just write, write fun stories or poetry, whatever you would like into in your journal. And some other things I have is one of my favorite books, so it's really cool that I actually have time now to reread it. So you can have one of your favorite books, you can have a list of your favorite songs that you want to play either on your phone, your tablet, or wherever you listen to music at. So another thing you can have is like a picture. So this is just a picture of me and one of my friends. So just thinking about cool memories, things you did before, and things you're excited to do when we're able to like freely leave our homes and go out again. And then, so last but not least, you can also, have like things that you really like. For example, I like green tea, so I have one of these in my little basket. So yours, maybe you like hot chocolate, or maybe there's a favorite soup you like. So you can either have that and just have a better comfort. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. So we'll just continue talking about today, and Miss Claire is just gonna share her basket, and things she does to keep her happy during this time.
Hi girls, it's Miss Claire. Like Miss Zainab said, this time can be very stressful, can be kind of scary, but I want to show you things that I've been using to make myself less stressed and more happy and pass the time while we're all inside. So you guys are gonna laugh. I got this coloring book, Visco Girl coloring book. I haven't started coloring in it yet, but y'all, how cute. How freaking cute. Let me show you another one. No bad days? Am I right, people? Yes. Okay. Another one is this little pig. I've had this pig since I was probably 10, like your guys' age. And I had it when I actually was in the hospital, and now I keep it, and it's kind of like a safety net, I guess you could say. So another thing I have is this little oil diffuser. It looks kind of weird, but the way you use it is you open up the top like this. Let me show you. Oops. Oh, I didn't clean it out, but you open up the top, put water in there. Great, now it's all over my hands. And you put oil and you put water in it, and then you turn it on and it diffuses. So the oil and the water mix up and it goes into the air and it helps you relax. It can also help you focus. It's pretty cool. And the last way that I'm keeping sane and less stressed is my new puppy.
Oh, big stretch. Her name's Chai, and she is a ball of energy even though she's sleeping right now.
So those are ways that I am getting my anxieties and my stresses out, and I hope that my ideas can help you guys in any way possible. So I hope you guys are doing okay, and I can't wait to see you guys in our next video.
So now that you've heard from both me and Miss Claire, we would just like to know, what would you put in your basket? Or if you make a basket for a friend, what would you add to it? Some things that make you happy and will brighten your day. So you can feel free to comment down below, and you can feel free to comment like any fun activities or lessons that you would like us to cover. And we look forward to seeing you all virtually. You know, stay safe, wash your hands, and have a great day.